This is me on the 9th of August. My account got finished. I lost over 200 grand. Watch this. I'm late. I need to get ready, or I might get fired from there. Like, how do I look, guys? Stop laughing, please. Would you like fries with that? Is that good? Would you like fries? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, it's my first day. I might get fired as well from there. You know how crypto is. It's mad. It's crazy. It's volatile. You know, 1 minute you're up, the next minute you're down. 9th of August, right over here. Markets got annihilated. A lot of participants don't go back in time. They're so fixated on the future that they don't look in the past. We went down 29%. Markets were annihilated. Words can't describe enough how much the market sentiment was so bad. Wallahi, it was terrible. It was so bad. Let me tell you this. We made all-time new highs. Just barely broke the previous all-time high, which was at 69,000 US dollars. We just kissed it, didn't even close a candle, ladies and gentlemen. And ever since, we were making lower highs after lower highs after lower highs after lower lows and further lower lows until we got to this wick. We went all the way to 49,000 US dollars. I swear to you, majority of crypto investors and traders thought we were heading into a bear market. They thought we were done and buried. The sentiment during that time is that we formed a triple top, and that's the most bearish sign of them all. They thought we were going into a multi-year bear market. Let me fast forward what really happened. From the very wick to the top, we went a whopping 120%, but it doesn't stop there. Oh, it doesn't stop there. Ethereum, same thing. Participants got wiped out. Leverage longs, leverage shorts. Everyone got annihilated except for spot holders. Ethereum went down 46%. It was dead and buried, finished, gone. Didn't even do the best, yet it came back up and went up 91%. This is a struggling Ethereum. Let me tell you about ADA. I bought around here, right? It wicked over here. My heart sank. It wicked here, right here. 27 cents. 27 cents. After that day, we never, ever saw lower prices. We went up 3x. If I gave up then, Solana, same thing. From wick all the way to trough, wallahi, every bear was coming out. Every bear came out of the woodworks. I was doing the rope-a-dope like this, constantly. They came out of the woodwork like this. Jab. Like I was literally I was on the ropes. Wallahi, I was like this. Dogecoin fell off a cliff. Went down 44%. Guess what happened after? 5x returns. Some of you weren't patient. You just panicked and ran away. Cool. But look what happened after. Do I need to say anything about XRP? Went from here to here, 500%. 5x. Dot. Link. Same thing. Same period. 9th of August. Go check the timeline. All right? Right here. Went up 300%. Sue. Cascaded. Fell off a cliff. Almost got to the previous lows of 36 cents. Guess what happened? No brainer. It's a no-brainer. What happened? 10x after that day. After that day, I dropped that video. 10x returns. Who remembers this coin? From here, 2 cents, all the way to $2.77. That's 147x. Almost 150x in just a few months. AIXBT. When I first mentioned it on this channel, because we're early to these metas, it was at pennies. That's a huge 17x. We can continue. We can keep going. AI16Z went up a massive 32x in 64 days. That's 2 months. Just 2 months. Now, I'm not saying you should have caught the whole entire move, but you could have caught a 20x, a 10x, heck, even a 5x on your portfolio. Altcoin season is different this year. It's different. In 2025, we will get it. However, there's such an influx of different coins. There's millions now. There's millions. So let me help you with your portfolio and join our private members. It's in the link in the description below. You might be holding some coins that may never, ever make all-time new highs. There's a massive opportunity cost. So join our private members. The altcoin markets are down. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. You can look at your portfolios. Damn, heck, they're making new lower lows. Some of you probably open up your portfolios and can see newer lows in your portfolios. I'm sorry, I don't write the rules. This is the market. Casper's down, Virtual's down, Hype is down, WIF is down massively for the day, Stacks is down. Remember when I dropped that video on the 9th of August. It was a massive deleveraging event. Participants got extremely greedy. They started playing with leverage, and that's why we saw so much volatility. Volatility normally comes in a bull market. You don't see volatility in a bear market. We're still in a bull market. The top gainers in the last week was BAN, and it's up 67%. Then we have Quantum. Oh, surprising. It's up 16%. We have DEXE up 6%. And finally, we have Mask down 7.2%. Then we have a few more other sectors. The best performing sectors in the last week. This is a downward trend, but it's not decreasing as much as other sectors. At number one is L1s, and it's down 19%. We have DeFi down 22%. We have L2s down 26%. And AI coins are down 27%. Finally, we got memes getting obliterated, and it's down 31%. Huge downturn for memes. Massive downturn. Let me show you. WIF has gone down 86%. They're all just cannibalizing each other. So that meant, look how harsh this is, yeah? This is bad. This is bad. So that meant if you held during this period, all the hodlers during this period are underwater. Severely underwater. Bobcat, similar thing. From the wick all the way to the trough, gone down 92%. If you were hodling from here all the way to here and you kept on DCAing, adding onto your bag, and you followed Murad and his advice, just keep adding onto these meme coins for 2 years, for almost 1 year, 216 days, you would have been underwater now. It's bad. Meme coins are getting finished. I did say this is going to happen. Meme coins are getting annihilated across the board. I think what's happening is that, I think the fun is gone in pumped up fun. I'm not sure. Maybe this bubble is going to continue and people are going to start gambling and speculating and just hyper speculating. So this ain't good for the industry. I promise you, this is not good. All you're just doing, you're just cannibalizing each other. AI coins are also going down. In the last 24 hours, the whole industry has gone down by 16%. As you can see here, we just keep on going further down and down. This is a reflexivity cycle. I did say this time and time again. You're going to see huge red candles, and the real test is if participants start bidding during this time. Okay, is this just going to be a trend, a one and done thing, and it's going to zero, or will it come back? On the left is Bitcoin, on the right is Toncoin. What do you think? Looks similar, doesn't it? Looks eerily similar. Participants are selling into this area. Participants sold into this area. Then we bounced, made a lower high, and then we retested this area and confirming if whether this area is actually support. Coin may, I'm not saying it's going to get there, but it may head to 75,000. If liquidity doesn't come back into the system, Bitcoin could be heading to 75,000 US dollars if it doesn't hold 100K. I did say this before. It needs to confirm above 100K, at least for a week. I'm not saying we're going to head to 75, but just brace yourself. If this heads to 75, altcoins are going to have a major problem. Either two things are going to happen. Altcoins are already pricing it in now. We could catch a lifeline. We really could. And altcoins could be actually pricing in this drop right now because altcoins are really bleeding. They're really bleeding. Solana, test this wick. ADA, gonna test this wick. AVAX is testing this wick. Dogecoin is also testing this wick. DOT is testing this wick. All of them are going to test this wick. In charts, they always fill the wick to the upside and to the downside. So market makers are going to grab liquidity right over here. We're going to retest. Okay, retest goes for all of these coins. Yeah, Jupiter, Ordinal, POW, all of them. Okay, let's look at this monster. This is not looking good. Like, it's really not looking good. Yeah, the market has just been going up. We've had altcoins, meme coins, AI coins, everything, and it still continues to go up higher. Yeah, I'm gonna lose my shirt if it ever goes to 72. I'm losing my shirt. Yeah, I said it here. I'm losing my hat, my shirt, everything. Bro, if it gets to these marks, we're in trouble. We're really in trouble, and it's a possibility. Like, it's a possibility. It keeps me up at night. This really does. This keeps me up at night. 72. The trend is your friend. And this thing looks like it wants to head to 72%. The reason why this is going up is not because of Bitcoin. It's not because of Ethereum or whichever is better. It's none of that. It's none of that. None of that. It's all because of monetary policy. Once Powell cuts interest rates and stops quantitative easing, but just does either the two. If he just does either of the two, we're going to be good. It's going to be up only. See this right here? See this? Look at this. Doesn't that look eerily similar? Look at this. Picture perfect. Picture perfect. Look at that. It just follows QT. That's it. The more tighter and tighter and tighter the Fed gets, the more detrimental it's going to be for altcoins. This one's more ugly because I was hoping it's just going to be a wick and we head up downwards. No. This is actual green candles now. Yeah, blue candles. I got to be different. You know me, I'm a contrarian. I can't show you green candles. Come on, I got to show you something different. We're going to probably fill this wick. Just like how I said earlier, these wicks are meant to be filled. Look, fill this wick, fill this wick. The same thing applies for Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum plus Tether and DC and USDC. Once market makers have filled this wick, ladies and gentlemen, then we can see a bounce. We're going to have some of the biggest unlocks, massive unlocks. Yeah, this is just a small cohort of some of the unlocks happening. Some of the VCs made 44x profit, 11x, 12x, 32% profit. And now the unlock is happening. The cliff period is done. And the next month, we're going to get more and more token unlocks. There's an epidemic going on here and there's some serious cocaine takers. Look at this chart, yeah? This chart from here all the way to here, done at 92x. A 92x in 45 minutes. This is a 5-minute candle. This is a 5-minute candle, yeah? There's participants out here, yeah? Just straight gambling. They're just going further and further and further into the risk curve. And every single cycle, we get more and more degenerate. We had Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then alts, then NFTs, then meme coins, and now pump.fund. And now 5-minute candles. 45-minute candles are doing 100x. All of these coins do exactly the same thing. On a larger time frame, smaller time frame, they all do the same thing. Blow off top right here, and then you have a right shoulder. Comes all the way down, goes to zero. Within 6 hours, it's gone to zero. If you want to gamble, just go to the casino. Stop wasting your time on it. Just go to the casino and put your money on red or black. Go play some poker. Go chill. Like, this is ridiculous. Let's have a look at the news. Bitcoin edges near 98,000 as Eric Trump pushes World Liberty Finance to make Bitcoin investments. Eric Trump, son of Donald Trump, said it's a great time to enter into BTC. Eric Trump encouraged the Trump family-linked crypto platform to make its first Bitcoin investment. XRP price outlook looks grim as traders go short, exchange inflow increases. No surprise there. It's going to fill the wick. And finally, bearer train. The long awaited bearer train is finally here. We have the biggest airdrop in history, and it's gone into mainnet. Pre-launch market prices will make bearer train one of the biggest airdrops in recent history. The total initial supply of bearer is 500 million tokens, with 48.9% allocated for community engagement, including airdrops, ecosystem development, and research. Bearer chain is currently up 18%, a whopping 18%. It just came out, so check it out. I tend to not buy at these kind of prices. When it first comes out, I'm not buying. I'm not putting any bids when it first comes out. There's plenty of airdrops, and what they're going to do is they're going to initially sell. There's participants that were really farming this coin for like 2 or 3 years. I remember this coin even in 2021, and this finally came out after 5 years. I see the hype. I see some influencers talking about it. They're just getting paid. They're just chilling and they're getting paid for this. It's like the 100th L2 of Ethereum. Come on, let's stop. How many L2s do we have out here for Ethereum? We got countless of EVMs and layer 2s, countless. Do we really need even more L2s? Ethereum hasn't even finished the job. It can't even get its act together. And now we got even more chains out here. Ethereum just needs to scrap all of this. Just use one chain. Now, the thing with Ethereum is this. Ethereum built an entire city, like an entire city. Yeah. And they were expecting massive cohorts of participants and users to come in the space. They didn't. The only thing crypto really needed is for it to become quicker and faster. Solana came in, took that market share. Ethereum is waiting for traditional markets like Larry Fink to come in with all their capital and build on the city of Ethereum. There's a lesson in this video. Check this out.
Listen carefully, brother. Ethereum and Bitcoin are not the one. The one is called XRP. The lawsuit is a distraction. XRP is going to move all of the money on Earth. 5 quadrillion. Bitcoin was supposed to be what XRP is. I believe David Schwartz is Satoshi Nakamoto. I'm not buying anymore because my wife won't let me. I've accumulated all that I need. I repurchased it at 0.0002.
And how much did you buy at 0.0002? Your cost
$50.
$50.
Listen carefully, brother.
And how much did you buy at 0.0002? Your cost
$50.
$50.
Listen carefully, brother. Ethereum and Bitcoin are not the one. The one is called XRP.
$50 divided by 0.0002 will get you 250 XRP times by $4 will make you a millionaire. In 6 years or 7 years, you would have become a millionaire. Not bad. If you just bought, held with $50, turned it into $1 million US. However, participants nowadays, they want to make money in 12 hours. They want to see 10x, 20x returns in just a few hours. That's it for now. Make sure to what? To join our private members. That's it, folks. Trust me, you won't regret it. Just try for a month or two. Who knows? Maybe 3 months. Who knows? I might be able to help your portfolio. I've been through this time and time again. I have clients that come on board and I do help them immensely. Peace.